Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. Alright guys, so this is just a quick video about how to set up the resolution for the extended monitor. So if I open up the display setting, as you can see, here this is the laptop screen, and this is the extended monitor screen, and the extended monitor screen is really small. And it's not just like the resolution of the first. So what I have to do is check for the resolution. If I click on this one monitor and check for the resolution, it's 1920 and 1080. This is the recommended setting on the first monitor. What we have to do is to click on this second, and then set the resolution, just like for the first one, which is this one. So if I click over this, click on Keep Changes, so as you can see over here, these two resolutions are being matched. Now click on Apply. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.